Cosa ci fai ascoltare?
Dunque, io sono andato a trovare una canzone di Barbara Streisand che è del
grande.
1997, perché a me piace molto spaziare.
Infatti vedo dalle canzoni classiche romane,
Sì.
insomma hai fatto un po' di cose.
Sì.
Avremo tempo poi magari per raccontare.
Magari.
Magari. Mi incuriosisce molto la tua carriera perché è varia.
Grazie.
Allora, la canzone si chiama
Higher Ground.
Bruno Filippini per voi a 1000 voci.
Roll me over this horizon, let the sun's light warm my face. Once again the times are changing. Once again I lost my way. Where the rose on ocean poets fall like dust upon my shoes. Rivers robbing me of my vision, turn my heart from higher truth. So take my brother and lead me higher. Be my lover and my desire. Hold me safe in all about ever. Take my heart to higher ground. I've a ball too long in darkness. I've a ball too long and long. Blindly watching fast for diamonds that I found where only stones. I will trade the world for ages for a warmer hand to hold. The pound of light is narrow, but at least the strips of gold. So take my brother and lead me higher. Be my lover and my desire. Hold me safe in all about. Take my heart to higher ground. In this warm mood through shadows, never sure one will see what the two abides between us. Come and share the truth with me. So take my brother and lead me higher. Be my lover and my desire. Hold me safe in all about. Take my heart to higher ground.
Bruno Filippini.